Namaste yogis, welcome to our Power Yoga series for today. We are going to begin in our child's pose, which is touching. Just relieve out the back a little bit, breathe, hydrate the breath, the back of our breath, okay? We're going to do our inversions again today, flowing really to strengthen our back in position, okay? So we're in inversions, we are raising up the sternum, and the deltoids are activated. We're not in the neck at all. We are in the upper chest area with a nice anchor, framing the entire spine, activating the entire frame of the spine from the tailbone all the way to the crown of our heads. Really activating the endocrine system, releasing the endorphins, as well as the cortisol and dopamine, big hormones release, as well as activating the central nervous system and really circulating blood circulation, blood flow, and just anchoring into that space, creating mindfulness and mental clarity. Okay? Good. We're going to begin now in our fish pose. Just come down with me here in fish pose. Beautiful stretch. Knee rotation, foot rotation, as well as our shoulders. Deltoid activation here. Just let me into a few more breaths with me here. Breathe. Raise up the sternum. Shoulder activation going on here, allowing us to stay anchored so that we don't get out of place, okay? As we are in our inversions, we can stay much longer as long as the frame of our spine is close to activated. Feel the stretch through the hamstrings, the glutes. Nice deep breath here. Good. We can come to a camel pose. Just activate that upper back, chest, back bending rotation here. Shoulder rotation, as well as our backbends, deeper, raise the sternum. Good, come down. Try to get anchor into that space where we feel like the transverses as well as the rectus abdominis also get a nice massive lift here, okay? So we're going to activate and open up into our hip, tilt our left foot in the upper quadrant of the mat, and try to manually get a tilt there. Get deeper into this activation. Take a crescent twist, which feels good. Gaze up to the ceiling, shoulder rotating into our back activation, back bends. Good, back. And taking to our second side. So there's a correlation between hip tightness as well as mental clarity, as well as our emotional well-being. So we want to make sure that we stretch out the hips as much as possible. Just relieve out that space. Good. Just bring relief and creativity around the spine so that we're not limited in our practice, okay? Good. Now we're going to come into Prasarita now here. As we angle our sitting bones to the back of the room. Just try, just playfully, just opening up without exerting too much, okay? Good. Slowly into my breath here. As you open up our upper hip area, inner thighs, get a nice lift. Good. So we're going to come into Prasarita here. Into a side crawl. Just laying the foundation. Work, preparation for our neck flips here. So we're letting our neck roll positively in the upper area, chest area. Good. Nice strong abs. Good. And we activate the second side. We'd like to begin in our headstand this time. There are many ways in which we can get into leg flips. Arm stand, shoulder stands, handstands, headstands. Just now. So we're back in Prasarita. Try to get a little bit more deeper this time. In Prasarita, sitting goes the back of the room, then you push the sitting goes to the back of the room. Then you start to evolve. Here, nice strong back force. Good. The front of my head comes down now. And we're ready to begin to flow. Tighten the abs, rotate the abs in as much as possible. Poke out the glutes. Flexing point. Good. Relax and enjoy the sensations. So we're not in our neck at all, we're in the upper chest area. Good. Are getting nice and nice stretch here. Raise up. Good. And back down. Oh, we might take it into wheel. Back flip into wheel. Good. And down into bridge pose. Come down. We are going to be now in tripod. Now the trick with tripod is as you come up, try not to move the elbows. Okay? Oh. My hips feel a massive release, a massive stretch along the pelvic floor. Feels really, really good for today. Flip. Side it in. And then we're going to begin now with our side flips. Side flips. We're going to begin in handstands. Bend, bend, bend. Into wheel. Just take it in. Beautiful. And we do it now. Side. Second attempt, second start. That was too fast. Let's go slowly. Slow motion. Backbends are really, really good. They're energizing for the entire central nervous system. So important also the glutes up in the child. Bridge pose, just breathe, feel relief, and in now. Just feel that sharp pain face the sensations that are flowing through your body now. With the endocrine system nicely activated, full body stretch. It's a quick practice, I know. Good. Come down. And then we're going to conclude. We'll do it again in fish pose. Thank you so much for watching this far. Hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads here on the channel. And just take a little time to enjoy the mat, flow here on the mat. One flow, one stretch